Hi guys, it's me Ronan and welcome to my channel. Welcome to my place. Kagising ko lang. Well, it's Tuesday night and I'm preparing for work. Yung shift ko pala is 10. Normally, set my alarm at 7 p.m. Pero most of the time, nauuna akong gumising bago mag-alarm. So today, gumising ako mga 4:50. 2 hours bago mag-alarm yung clock ko. Pero hindi na ako makatulog, nakahiga na lang ako. So, might as well. Bumangon na, uminom ng tubig. Simulan na natin yung araw. Wala naman ako masyadong ceremonias when it comes to preparing before work. Mabilis lang ako maligo, siguro mga 5 to 10 minutes, tapos na ako. And then of course, we have Regiment bago mag-PS. When you get to a certain age, you have to take care of yourself, your skin. Right? Kasi, yung gandang yan, it won't last long. Of course, toner, a lot of moisturizer, and drink a lot of water. Gusto ko yung hair ko today. Kasi yung hair ko kasi talaga, before, makapal siya. But of course, well, early 2000, nauso yung mga gel-gel na ganyan-ganyan, mga patayo-tayo ng buhok. So, yung mga setting-setting gel, isa ako sa mga nabiktima ng mga gel-gel na yan. Kaya yan, naubos na lagas yung buhok ko. Kung nakita niyo yung other videos ko, yung buhok ko, medyo pachi-pachi. Mapa na siya talaga. So dito, super thin. Ang nipis-nipis na yung buhok ko dito, at saka dito sa likod. So, eto na lang yung kayang hairstyle na para sa akin. Or else, pwede ko naman siyang ipakalbo na lang lahat. Pero hanggat may buhok pa, push natin yan. Mga moms. Yan. Toner din pag may time. Siya nga pala bukas. Valentines Day na! Happy Valentines, guys! Ano, kumusta? Nakapagpaset na ba kayo ng mga restaurant? Sa pang date ninyo? Or mga pa-concert dyan? Well, ako, I have work. Post Valentine's date na lang yung ganap. Moisturizer. Guys, importante yung moisturizer, no? Para at least continue pa rin yung youthful glow kahit na nagkakaedad na. Yung lola ko, when she was still alive, bless her soul. She's very religious when it comes to kanyang beauty regimen. So kahit nung mga, I think she was her 80s, in her 80s, makikita mo talaga na glowy pa rin yung itsura niya. Kasi she's very she really takes good care of her face, of her skin. Medyo vain yung lola ko. Siya yung nagsabi sa akin before na you have to start young para at least ma-counter mo yung aging process. Well, lahat naman tayo tumatanda. Hindi naman totally talaga ka-counter yun, pero we have to do our part din. Kasi once nagsag na yan pababa, mahirap na. O sa mga single dyan, bukas, anong ganap? Okay lang yan. Well, I have a lot of friends na single, no? It really doesn't mean that you have to be bitter about it. Wala lang, you just have to, live your life and enjoy singlehood. Kung dadating din naman yan. Another moisturizer. I used to moisturizer kasi. Ito giyawat ako. Shit. I'm actually thinking kung magkakaba ako today or mag-MRT kasi sabihin na naman na 8 lang yung MRT na bumibiyahe ngayon. Bakbakan talaga. Mapapalaban ka na naman ng di oras sa MRT. So bago ka makarating ng office, hulas ka na. Pawis ka na. I'm not sure, iisipin ko pa. Okay, since Valentines na naman tomorrow, so this is like a Valentine's special. And sa lahat mga single dyan, that's okay. The right person will come. You just have to wait and pray and just focus on yourself and just focus on be the right person first. To that right person that you're looking for. Diba? So right now, kung single ka, just be with your friends, surround yourself with the people that you love and the people who loves you. And just do things that make you happy, right? It doesn't mean that you have to go out. If you want to stay at home, grab a book, or manood ka na ng favorite movie mo, ganun na lang, di ba? Or go somewhere else, be with your friends, watch some concert. I was young, back when I was still single, that was, when was that? 2005, 2006. It was very, very idealistic when it comes to relationship, no? Pero, lesson learned sa mga past pa na relationship, you really don't need to focus on your ideals. Kasi hindi mangyayari talaga yun, madidisappoint ka lang. Baka andyan na pala talaga sa harap mo kung saan ka pa nakatingin. Girl, get over it. You have to be open-minded, you have to be open na baka andyan lang siya. Huwag masyadong focus sa ideals, guys. Or else you'll end up dating your ideals. Soon, makalalaman mo na lang na yun already. Alam mo na, older and you're still single because masyado kang ano dun sa ideal mo. Well, I have a lot of friends who are single and they're focusing on travel, they're focusing on discovering new restaurant, they're focusing on discovering new foods or kung ano-ano mga activities na gusto nilang gawin, na ini-enjoy nila. Pwede mo namang gawin din yun while waiting and while, you know, focusing on yourself and be the right person first. I don't know if that makes sense. I'm just rambling while preparing. Bihis muna ako. Later. Tcharan! If you're looking for the stylish one, I'm not that guy. Sorry. Okay, so I'm ready to go to work. I'm still not sure if I'm going to take the MRT or if I'm going to just take a cab or mag-grab na lang ba ako. Bahala na. Contemplate ko na lang yan habang naglalakad ako palabas ng village. It's Tuesday. Tomorrow it's Valentine's Day. So guys, enjoy. See you soon. I decided to take the LRT. So mamaya, dating ko dun sa Farmers, pag siguro sobrang haba ng pila sa MRT, I'll just take the bus na lang. We'll see. See you later. Hey guys, so I'm here na. I survived naman. Hindi masyadong maraming tao sa MRT. Though marami, pero wala masyadong laman yung trend, so nakapasok ako. I'm almost here na sa office. Parang gusto kong mag-coffee. So, pili tayo ng coffee. Hello guys, so I wasn't able to finish that video. So yun, nag-Starbucks ako, and when I got to the office, there's some activities, Valentines activities. It was a good shift. So if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon.